Welcome to 55 Rainforest Road here in Tanawha.
This is one of Sunshine Coast's most extraordinary estates, designed for celebrity entertaining.
Your very own 4.5 acre retreat, perfectly situated just minutes from the coast's elite schools, best beaches and Maroochydore CBD.
This is the property everyone is talking about. The centrepiece of this property is an incredible pavilion home with every detail meticulously designed for peace, privacy and total luxury. The main residence showcases elegant interiors with multiple living and entertaining areas, a glamorous gourmet kitchen and a high-end parents' wing, complete with a luxurious tropical ensuite bathroom and walk-in robe.
This is the ultimate backdrop for celebrity-style entertaining. From the stunning heated pool, 12-person spa and outdoor dining zone to the full-size tennis and basketball court. You've got a cinema, pool room, a fully decked out bar, private gym and even a car display for your collection. Host family and friends with a pool house and gourmet kitchen, wraparound fire pit and a separate 2-bedroom guest house.
From lush rainforest views to tranquil ponds and a deep sense of serenity, this majestic property is beautifully integrated into its incredible surrounds.
This extraordinary home will not last long.
Come and check it out.